where we have a transformer in our system. So write down the statement of example. Here it is given a 3-bus system in figure 1. In figure 1, where the transformer say T, it is placed between bus number 2 and 3. Okay, and with the line reactance of 0.5 per unit, J 0.5 per unit, and the off nominal tap ratio is 1:1.02, which is also written here. So calculate or formulate the Y-bus matrix for given system, or we can say figure number 1. So such kind of example is calculated based on the consideration of first just neglect this transmission line. So if we neglect the transmission, the system is now updated after removal of the transmission line between bus number 2 and 3 is only Z12 and Z13 is present in your 3-bus network. Clear? So just formulate the Y-bus matrix for figure number 2. Just formulate the Y-bus matrix for this figure number 2. So can anyone help me? First of all, our first step is to calculate Y12 and Y13. So how we will calculate Y12? Just recall the previous lecture where we have calculated the example based on the simple method. Yes?
1/Z12.
Yeah, very good. So Z12 is given. The value of Z12 is R plus Jx, which is equal to 0.05 plus J.15 is in per unit. So we have to calculate the value of Y12 or Y13. Both are same. So you can write here Y12 is equal to Y13, which is equal to series impedance 1 divided by 0.05 plus J.15. Now just tell me the answer of this calculation. Yes, what is the answer for this calculation? I think you have done previously. Will not take much time.
2 minus 6J.
Yeah, very good. 2 minus
6J.
6J or J6. Very good. In per unit. Okay. So just formulate the Y-bus matrix for figure number 2. Y-bus matrix for figure number 2. So elements of Y-bus matrix for figure number 2 is, yes, will help me to write down the elements of Y-bus matrix from figure number 2. I'm not asking about the answer, final answer. I want to just write down the elements of Y-bus matrix. Yes.
Y11, Y12, Y13.
No, from figure 2, it is
0.
Y10, then
0,
Y
Y1 plus Y12
and Y1
plus Y13.
1 3.
Very good. Then next minus Y12.
Minus Y.
Ha, very good. Minus Y13. Similarly
Minus
here
Y13.
1 2 1 3. Then Y22 is equal to
Y20
very good.
plus Y23
Y23
2
plus
3.
three
There is
Y21
3.
connection between 2 and 3. The only term is Y1 or
Only
Y.
Y12.
Yeah, bus. Very good. Then the third element 2 3. What is the value of Y2?
0.
Yes.
0.
Yeah, very good. There is no
0
connection between Similarly here 0 and the Y33 is equal to
Y30 plus Y13
Y13 or 31 you can write it. So from the theory we can say the size of Y-bus matrix for such network or for this network is 3 cross 3. Now substitute the value of here one thing is given, neglect shunt admittance, shunt or line charging admittance. So the value of Y10, Y20 and Y30 will be 0. So just help me to write down the final answer for this matrix for figure 2. Yes. Y12 plus Y13. What is the value of Y12 plus
4
Y13?
minus 12.
4 minus J12
Yeah, very good. 4 minus J12 or 12J. Yes. Then next Y12.
minus 2 plus J6
Wow, very good. Minus 2 plus J6.
J6
સારું કહેવાય ધીરે ધીરે ખબર પડે છે. Then next
minus 2 plus J6
minus 2 plus J6. Same as it is symmetric matrix.
yes sir
Okay. Then minus 2 plus J6. What is the value of Y22?
2 minus J6
Yes, 2 minus J6.
J6
Here it is 0, 0 and 2 minus J6. Clear
J6
to this part 1 of your example? Clear? What we have done? Just remove or neglect this transmission line from the network where the transformer is given. Now what we will do? Just calculate with transformer. Then what are the elements which will affect after we will introducing this transformer between bus number 2 and 3? Yes, anyone? What are the elements which affect if we are going to introduce this transformer between bus number 2 and 3? Yes, which are the elements from this matrix are get affected if I am going to introduce the
Y22, Y33, Y23,
okay, that's very good. Y22, then
Y33,
Y3, yes, very good. Y32 and Y3. These 4 elements are get affected if we are adding this transmission line into the network with transformer. Okay, so let's calculate what will be the change. So looking at the theory, as we have discussed earlier, the position of transformer. So which type of it is considered type 1 or type 2? In the case of transformer, we have seen the transformer is placed at ith bus or jth bus. We have seen the both the case. So looking at that both the case, we will which case we are going to apply for calculating this example?
Type 1.
Type 1. How type 1?
Type 1.
Yeah. How type 1? What is the type 1? So you type
Transformer on
2.
Z.
Transformer.
Left side power transfer.
Okay. And here in your example, it is said that, let me write complete data. It is said that assume the line model, assume the line model placed at non-unity side of transformer, non-unity side of transformer. It is given in every example, or in most of the case, the pi model is placed at non-unity side of the transformer. So in this your example, which one is non-unity side? Bus number 2 or 3?
Two.
Just look at the figure number 1. Here it is given V dash and here it is V. So which one is non-unity side? Just recall the transformer theory. It is given the transformation ratio is 1:1.02. So
V3 dash.
yes, very good. V3 dash is, can write over here also. Here also, at this side, your transformation ratio is 1.0 1.02 to 1. Clear? So after this assumption, now tell me which type of case is applied over here. Here it is given your pi model is placed at non-unity side of the transformer. That means this side of transformer. Transformer is placed over here. So it is which side? Left or right? Yes. Just take your time to give an answer. Which cases you are going to study? Let me recall you again the case we have already discussed. See, this is the case 1 or type 1 where our regulating transformer is placed between two buses and the line model pi is placed at the left side of the transformer. Just look at this figure and compare it with our example. Or if you wish, then I will draw the extended diagram for this theory or example.
Sir, type 2.
Type 2. How? Very good.
Sir,
How?
sir, because transformer is over the left side. If we consider bus number 2 as ith bus,
Yes.
then we can say that the admittance just after the transformer is the left hand side leg of the pi model, and
Yeah.
the admittance, that is Z13, is the middle admittance.
Z23.
And,
Z3.
Sir, Z13 will be the middle one.
Here we are talking about this bus, this transmission line. Where am I? Yes. This transmission line. So admittance is Z3. Okay.
Type
Then
so Z12 would be after the transformer. There is the pi model.
So the pi model is located at left side of the transformer. So which case? Left side of the transformer. That means it is at the which bus according to your theory? Left side of the transformer. That means it is located at or placed at which bus? Ith bus or jth bus?
Transformer is on jth bus.
Okay, transformer is on jth bus. Yes, anyone? Don't get confused, just see the theory again. Let me explain you again. See, this is a very simple case where the transformer is placed on jth bus, or you can say your transmission line model is placed at the left side of transformer. Left side of transformer. Then the second case where the transformer is placed on ith bus and your pi model is placed over the right side of the transmission line, or you can say at pi model is at or near to jth bus. Similarly, in this example, just write down that it is the case where the transformer is placed at non-unity side of transformer. So non-unity means transmission line is placed at non-unity. So this is your transformer and it is left side of your transformer. So you can draw the figure over here also. Here Z12 Z23, your transformer and bus number 2, 3. So this is your case. Now just compare which type is you are going to apply for solving this example.
Type 1.
Yes, very good. Type 1 where the transformer is placed on bus number 2. Yes.
Bus number 2.
And the pi model, this pi model is at the left side of your transformer. I hope you have all are clear. खबर पड़ी भाई तुमने लोगों ने? Yes.
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
Yes. Everyone?
हाँ
Yes,
सर.
sir.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Yes sir.
So, yes. Write down here the transformer is placed at bus number, which bus? From figure you can easily realize, at 2, and the line model or pi model is placed or considered at left side of your transformer. So which is type 1. Clear? Left side of transformer. So we can directly calculate Y23. So for that, again I will draw the equivalent pi network for equivalent pi network for figure number 1 or with considering transformer. So here we have bus number 2, bus number 3, shunt element number 1 and shunt element number 2 as we have written in our theory. I, YSH1, YSH2 and YSE. So our transformer is placed over here. So just help me to calculate what is the value of Y23. Yes. What is the value of Y23? See into the data table. Value of Y23.
0.
Why it is 0?
No connection.
There is connection. Now we are considering the case where the transformer is placed between bus number and 2. So there is the value R plus Jx between bus number 2 and 3 with this transformer.
Minus J.5.
Yeah, minus J.5 is the value of Z12. So what is the value of Z23? So what is the value of, okay, let me write to explain.
હા સર પર Z23 ની J.5 થાય તો પેલું Y23 ની minus J.5.
0, wait, 0 minus J.5. Clear? So what is the value of Y23?
1 by Z.
1 by Z. So the answer is yes, 1 by
2.
Z. Yes. Only 2?
1 by
minus
Z.
J2.
Minus J2.
Plus J2. Here? Sorry, R plus Jx. Yeah. It is minus J2 or just write it. 0 plus J.5 which is equal to minus J2 per unit. Clear? So now, according to theory, what is the value of Y23? Yes, just recall over here. What is the value of Y23? Yes, in this equation. 2 and 3. Yes, one more thing, just write down one note. Yes, for such kind of example, where the transformer is present, just write down the note that will make your calculation very easily or understanding very easily. Write down the note. Consider the least or we can say small number of bus as I and large number or highest number of bus as J. So this will help you to calculate easily or make your understanding easy. Clear? So you have given two number I and J. Among them the smallest number will be given to the ith and the highest number is given to the jth number. Clear? So for this network, we can say I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 3. Clear? So what is the value of j to 3 by looking at this equation? A into ij. So from your example, what is the value of A? Yes, in this your example.
1.02.
Yes, very good. A is equal to, just right over here. Yes. A is equal to 1.02, or we can say transformation ratio. We'll get from the ratio of voltage. 1.02. So can write Y23 is equal to A into Y23. Clear? Or in general, if you get confused, just write over here Yij is equal to A into Yij. Clear? Where I is equal to 2 and j equal to 3. So what is the answer? We have A is equal to 1.02 and Y23 is equal to minus j2. So the final answer is yes. Anyone?
Minus J 2.04.
Yes, very good. Minus j 2.04 per unit. Very good. Okay. Now next, just help me to calculate. We have calculated this series element. Now what about this rest of two shunt element? The first one is YII, or we can say Y22. So what is the equation for Y22 or YII? For transformer placed at, or we can say type 1 transformer placed at this bus, ith bus. The equation is, yes, just see the theory if you don't get. Yes, it is a square into bolo a square into bracket a square y I0 means 20 plus a into a minus 1 into y23. So the shunt admittance is neglected. The value of this shunt admittance will be 0. So we have a into bracket a minus 1 to y23. So just calculate, substitute the value of a, which is 1.02.
સર આ ટાઈપ 2 માટે લખ્યું છે equation.
સર આ Y33 ની ઇક્વેશન નહીં બને Y22 ના જગ્યાએ.
કેમ નહીં બને ભાઈ? બરાબર છે, થવો જોઈએ. વેઇટ કરતો ક્વેશ્ચન થવો જોઈએ. But what I have said here,
ટાઈપ 2 ની equation છે.
consider the smallest number as I. Clear?
હા તો સર
Yes.
સર YII ની જે ઇક્વેશન છે ટાઈપ 1 માં
type 1 માં એ આ છે, બરાબર?
હા તો સર એમાં 1 minus a into yi જે છે ને
હા, એક મિનિટ બસ સમજો. અહીં આગળ આપણે શું કહ્યું કે ભાઈ ith બસ પર our transformer is connected at ith bus. So you have written, let me explain here. Yes, the transformer is connected at bus number 2. Okay, yes, You are right. So the equation is changed. It is void 3 3.
હા સર આ y33 માટેનું ઇક્વેશન છે.
ચલો y22 માટે બોલો તો.
y20
y20
0 છે
Okay,
પ્લસ ઓફ 1 minus a
right, yeah, y20
plus
plus then
1
plus
minus a
okay plus 1
1 minus a
it is a into y0 y20 1 minus a
into y23
into y23 yes. So the answer is 1 minus a into y23 which is equal to what is the final answer 1 minus 1.02 into minus j2. So the final answer is yes
0.0408
minus j 0.04.
no minus there is no minus
plus આવશે plus
plus
Up.
j
0.0408
yes very good then y33 a square into y30 plus a into a minus 1 and y23 clear yes. So the shunt admittance is 0 so we will have the equation like this 2 3. So the final answer is 1.02 into bracket 1.02 minus 1 and minus j2. What is the final answer for this calculation y33?
minus j 0.0408.
Very good. Minus j 0.0408. Unit is per unit. Clear? Then next, what is the answer of y32? So to calculate y32, what is the answer of y32? Yes. It is same as y. Yes, it is same as y.
23
y23
Yes, very good. Which is equal to a into y23, which is equal to minus 2.04 per unit. Clear? So we will get all these 4 parameter after introducing the transformer A between bus number 2 and 3. So what is the updated value? Yes, final matrix y bus final matrix will help me to write down these final matrix. Yes. Yes, just see, we have derived without transformer this matrix, and now after introducing the transformer between bus number 2 and 3, we will calculate these 4 element again. So now what is the final value or final answer? Yes. Yes, anyone? The rest of the element will remain same. That means y11 will not affected. So it is same as it is. What is the value of y11?
4 minus 12j
Yeah, it is remain as it is 4 minus j12. Then y1
minus 2 plus j6
is as it is. Then
minus 2 plus J6.
minus 2 plus
J6.
J6. Again, it is minus 2 plus J6 minus 2 plus J6. Now, these four elements are get changed. So, what is the change we will get in these four elements after adding the transformer?
0.04J.
Yes, what is the value of these Y22?
0.04J.
So, yes, I will explain. Just place Y bus to Y bus to old, which you have already derived, plus what is that you have calculated for Y22 is Y22 new, which you have calculated over here, and the transfer admittance between bus number 2 and 3, which you have calculated new 2, 3 or 2. So it is summation of what is the value of old Y22? Old Y22 is, yes, the value of old Y22 is
2
J
minus 6.
0.04.
2
2
minus
minus J6.
6. Very good. Then the value of new calculated Y22 after introducing the transformer, it is
J
0.04.
0.0.
J.04 plus the transfer admittance. I am talking about this transfer admittance. That means Z2 Y23 between bus number 2 and 3. I am talking about this transfer admittance which is offered by this transmission line. So what is the value after introducing the transformer? Y23 is equal to,
J 2.04.
it is minus J 2.04. Now just calculate the final answer for Y22 and substitute over here. Same way, what is answer for Y23? Y23 yes, answer for Y22.
2 minus 8J.
Yes, 2 minus 8
8J.
बराबर. So here it is 2 minus 8 or J 8. Clear? Now 23 new. What is the value of 23 new? It is, yes, it is minus J 2.04. What is the condition to substitute in this matrix, final matrix? Who will give the answer for the value of element 2, 3, or we can say 2, 3 new? Yes,
We have to add transfer admittance.
transfer admittance 2, 3.
Hmm.
You have to, previously it is 0, but you have calculated over here, and the value of 2, 3 is minus J 2.04 per unit. So what I will write over here at this place at 2, 3. Previously
2.04 plus.
શું ચેન્જ આવશે?
y23 old plus y23 new.
There is no summation. Okay, old. Yes. Let me follow here. What is the value of old?
0.
0 plus new. It is minus j 2.04, which you have derived over here. Yes. So it is minus j 2.04. Clear? What we'll write over here? Directly
2.04
value.
j.
Yes, very good. It is
plus 2.04.
2.04. Why is it so?
Conclusion 2.
Huh?
Conclusion 2.
Yes, very good. Conclusion 2, which says that the off diagonal elements are negative of that original value. So we have original value in negative. So here it will be positive. Clear? Similarly, what is the value of y32? Y32 new. Yes.
2.04.
Yeah. So it is j 2.04. Now just calculate the value of y33. Yes, y33 is equal to y bus 33 old, which you have calculated in matrix form, plus y33 new after introduction of transformer, and y23 new after introduction of transmission line. So y33 old from previous matrix, what is the value of y33 old?
2 minus j6.
2 minus j6.
j6.
Yes. Plus y33 new. It is minus j 0.0408. Okay. And 3 new. It is again minus j 2.04. What is the final answer?
2 minus 8.448 j.
Yes, very good. 2 minus j 8.8.
448.
Just calculate it again.
0.808.
080.
Yes, very good. 0.808. This is your final answer for I33. So clear? Just substitute the value of y33. Now, if I will change in data set that your transformer is placed at unity side of your pi model is placed at unity side of your transformer, then what will be the change and which type we will going to apply for solution of such kind of example? If I will change in data that this your pi model is placed over here, means unity side of the transformer, then what is the case? Yes,
Type 2.
type 2. What is type 2? Yes, what is type 2?
Transformer is placed at jth.
Yes, at jth bus. Okay, you can calculate same example. What is the change in your final matrix? Just follow the same procedure. what is the change in your final matrix? This y bus.
સર 2 minus 8.080 ફર્સ્ટ એલિમેન્ટ થઈ જશે.
First name, it is y22. Just only the place is
Y22.
changed. Clear? Yes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
યસ
Yes, sir.
Only just the y22 will become y33 and y33 will become y22. Yes. So clear?